Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be using a little relay kit I've put together to power up my side lights or my low beams. I'm not decided on which. Let's crack on with this one. So I'm going to show you firstly how to make this relay yourself if you would like to do so. All you need is a regular 4 or 5 pin relay like this and the wire harness like this. You can buy these with wires already in them, you just take them out. If not, you can use just this, forget that, and use some crimps and crimp all the wires together. But I always use one of these harnesses because it's better. With let me show you, some crimps like so, same way as I make the power fold relays. So I have unfortunately already made the blue wire, which is the trigger wire, which is what you would put to the accessory wire around the ignition harness. So I've already wired this up, but this one, the blue one, will go to pin 86 on the relay, which is this pin right here. So all you need to do is get your harness, go to the side where pin 86 is, which is here. Make sure you put it in the right way. It should click. But there's a little pin on it, it just needs poking out a little bit. So that'll help it click into place. So again, just double check pin 86, this pin here, which is this socket here. There's the click, so that's the first one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you actually how to do each wire separately. So we're going to start off with pin 87, which is the top pin here, okay, which is this socket. Double check everything every time, always double check. So pin 87 will be a yellow wire, which is what I'm going to use. So you strip back some wire, okay, like so. And that goes to pin 87 on the relay. So just make sure you get it at the top there. There you go. That's 2 wires done. Then you want your red wire, which is your power wire, which is pin 30 on the relay, which is this bottom one just here. So again, get rid of that. Strip some wire, maybe a little bit more, because you can fold this up a little bit. Right, so get your crimp. Okay, to the side. You want pin 30, sorry, and this pin 87, done that one. Same as before, the bottom one here. Make sure you're getting in the right way. And click, that's done. Okay, then the last wire, which is your black wire, which is your ground wire, same principle. If you want any of these tools or parts to make it yourself, I'll put links in the description so you can get it all yourself. But I'll also put a link. This one goes to pin, just double check, 85, which is this pin here, which is here. Click, that's it. push it all into place, and that's it. So if you don't want to really wire these up, I know a place where you can buy them already made, ready to go. I'll put a link in the description for that. Let's flip over to the car now and show you how to install it. So it's been brought to my attention by a lad called Sam over on Facebook within one of the car groups that he found the diagram for this online, and he said he was struggling to get his head around how it worked, and he asked me to step in and see if I could help put one together. So I stepped up. Here's the kit, it's all ready to go. I'm going to go over to the car now. It's a quick and easy thing to do, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's go. So we're out of the car. First thing you need to do to install this relay is pull this lower section down. Just comes down like that, and then you put your hand up behind here, and you'll feel two clips. There's one at the bottom, the headlight switch, and one at the bottom. Pinch them and push. There's the clips, this one here, this one here, just to show you. And you can, there's a little clip inside. Let me just show you quickly. This black clip just here, you can pop that off the frame metal piece here. It'll be tied to it, clipped into a little hole. Just give it a tug and it'll give you some more cable to work with. Okay, so I've just relocated the camera to give me a better angle so I can work and show you what I'm doing. But before I crack on, let me just pull the camera in a little bit so I can show you the pins you need. You better view. Okay, so facing this way, you're looking at the bottom line, it's pins 9 and so forth. So number 10 is ground, number 11 is positive, pin 13 is your red with blue tracer, and for your side lights, that's that one. And then you need your activation wire, which is your 2 green wires here on pin 8 with the black and orange tracer wire there. So let me pull you back a little bit and let's show you the relay. So I have the relay here. It'll have a black wire, which is ground, red wire, which is positive, and then there'll be 2 wires, which is blue, which is the coil wire, and the yellow wire will be the accessory wire. So you put this wire, the yellow wire, to whatever you want it to power up. In this case, it'll be the side lights. So let me show you how to wire this all up. And for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to hardwire this yet, because I'm in the process of making another video where I've made some custom DRL lights into the fog surrounds, and I'll be using this method to do that. So you put the ground to ground, pin 10, positive to positive, pin 12, sorry, pin 11, so pin 10 and pin 11. You get your blue wire and you put it to pin 8, get your accessory wire, which is the yellow one, which what you want to power up, and so you can use it for the side lights, which is pin 13, the red and blue wire, and that's that. Now let me pull you a bit closer and show you the relay. That's it all wired up. Now you get your key and turn it to accessory 2. If you listen, you might hear it click. Okay, and if you hear that little chirp, don't worry about that. That's the sound it makes when your door's open and it chirps. But when your door's shut, it won't worry about that. Let's show you the actual side lights all powered up. So let's get the camera. Close the door. Take you around the front of the car. So there's a side light at the front. That side. I can show you how to wire it for your low beams as well. It's not a problem. But one thing I have noticed doing this, you go to the back of the car and you get your side lights at the back come on, but not only that, you get your number plates lit up as well, and that's all because they're on the same circuit. So if you're okay with all that lighting up, that's that job done. Oh god, run that space in here. Alright, so if you turn it all off, everything turns off. Turn it back on and everything powers up again. Right, so if you want to do your low beams, let me just set the camera down again, turn everything off so I don't blow myself up. All you need to do is use this yellow wire, and if I remember rightly, it is pin 4. Just tap it in. Oh. Okay. All powered up. Let's go and show you. So the low beam should be powered up now, and the side lights have come on as well. Go to the back. All done. So if you like this little upgrade, be sure to leave a like, consider subscribing. I'll leave a link to this in the description, so if you don't want to particularly wire it up yourself, you just want to buy it ready done with the install guide, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to a place where I've put these, where you can grab one from. It's a nice, easy, tidy little upgrade to do. I'm going to be using this for the DRL lights, like I said, that I've made, and there'll be a card to that somewhere up in the right hand corner up here, I believe. So till next time, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye for now.